Yo, yo, yo. So let's continue where we left or we stopped last time. And yeah, let's finish this bad boy, right? Mm. Okay. Uh, let's connect. Um, where is the USB-C? I see on the side. Okay, something happens. All right. Okay. So last time I stopped somewhere here. So maybe first of all, let's fix this part. Your values are 989 to 2012. Normally it operates between 1000 and 2000. Go to the command line, interface, in Betaflight, and paste the following commands. Okay, write your commands. So it says 989 will be basically like 0 and 2012 will be max. Okay, okay, let's do it. Mhm. So how can I save it now? Here? Ah, save. Alright, makes sense. Device rebooting. Device ready. Okay. But I would like um to check it. So is it working? Like, was the change applied already and I can see the results, or can I not? Let's check it. I'm gonna change the screen. Uh, display out. Yes. Okay, let me put in the battery into my controller. Okay. Maybe I can next time kind of like not take out the battery of the controller and I can charge it with an USB cable. I see there is USB-C, one on top and one at the bottom. I'm gonna try this next time instead of taking the battery out. Might be more convenient. Yeah, anyways, let's connect it. I think I have here 3 cables. Let's put them in. Alright. Okay, let's hold it a little bit longer.
Welcome to HTX. Profit warning.
Throttle not idle. Okay. Am I connected or am I not connected? So, where was it? On the receiver, I think. So when I push the buttons, nothing happens. Why? Um, let's go to this mode, express errors. It says 0 out of 250, so basically it's connected. Yeah, it's connected. Go back. Exit. Yeah. But if I do anything, it does not react like at all. Nothing happens.
Trim center. Trim center.
What is that?
Trim center.
All right. Serial crossfire. Bind maybe? Bind request was sent. Now maybe I go onto my controller, express URLs, and I'm gonna turn on the bind mode here also. Binding. Nothing happens. Why? Um, should I? Okay, you know what? Let me take out my phone. I'm gonna go back to Wi-Fi. Now let me check ExpressOS RX. Connecting. Okay, it is connected. What? Connection refused. Let me read again. Oh wait, I'm connected now. So I have no my binding phrase disappeared from the last time. Okay. So basically I believe I must now bind it again, right? So let's go to options, binding phrase. Let's give him something here. And let's go save. Why? Why it doesn't want to bind? This express URS bind. The binding has been generated. Now it says to me that a binding exists already. So if I go now again to the application, nothing. No input at all. So I don't know, it's strange. Let's override. Okay, let's say we're gonna give him the same binding phrase. We're gonna say safe. Alright, he did something. Now I'm gonna go into my controller. We're gonna go to Express ORS. We're gonna turn on the binding mode. And let's check now for Wi-Fi connections. It does not find the controller. Okay, let's turn on again the binding mode.
Telemetry lost.
So now when I gave the kind of like the same phrase to my drone, when I gave the same phrase to my drone and overwrit the binding, oh yeah, I have overwritten the previous binding code. Now it works suddenly. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, anyways, why is there things moving?
Telemetry recovered.
Alright, anyways, back. We're gonna go back. Okay. So now if I go max left on the throttle stick, on the yaw stick, it goes to 1000. If I go max right, it goes to 1998, but not 2000. Top, like throttle, goes to 2000, and it goes down to 1000. But my yaw, it goes 1000 left and 1998 right. Hmm. Okay, what about the right controller? If we go top, it says pitch 2000. If you go down, it says pitch 1000. If you go left, 1000 row A, and if you go right, 2000 row A. So Okay, can I flip it? Okay. Um. Yeah. Anyways, like I want to correct my left stick because it doesn't go max to 2000. But which one was it? But it's basically if I go on the left stick to the right, it is my yaw. How many do I have overall? Like probably like four positions. Throttle, yaw. So basically I have two. So so I have two on the left and probably two on the right. And of which of them is probably my yaw? It's like 50% chance. Let's say I don't know, let's take number one. Um let's give it not 2012. Let's give it 2010. That was one. Save. Connect. So it was not one, it was zero. Because as you can see, if I go now top, I have no, I have 2000. Throttle is 2000. And if I go max left, it's 1000. And if I go max right, it's still 1098, 998. And now my pitch is a little bit higher. So we're gonna reset it to 2012, and then we're gonna take 0 and set it to 2010. Yes, 1 is 2012 and 0 is gonna be 2010. And we're gonna just use save. Alright, let's connect. 2000, 1000. 1000. It's the same. So perhaps it's not 0 and 1, it's 2 and 3. It's those. It's one of those. Maybe, maybe, who knows? I don't know. Um, all right, we need to restore the first two. 0 is gonna go to 2012. 1 is gonna go to 2012. And 3 is gonna go 2010. As you can see, those two are corrected. 2000. So 3 is corrected. Yo is 1000 and it goes to 1998. And now I have throttle on 2002. So I must correct number 3 because number 3 is throttle and I must adjust number 2. Nice, so I basically changed all the wrong ones. And now we need to change number 2 and we take 2 units away. Reboot it. Let's go. Receiver. So now let's see. 2000, 1000, 1000, 2000. Now the yo 2000, yeah, finally, and 1000. So I have fixed it. It was so my left stick, which goes from left to right. This left stick is basically this one here. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay, I fixed it. Let's continue. Go to the motor stop in beta flights. Where is the motor stop? It's here. Okay. Oh, I get here even some metrics. Oh, it says how much voltage I have and my amperes and how much energy it takes. And seems like here I can adjust something of them on the motors, probably the RPMs or something like that. Secures the risk of injury. Remove all propellers. There are no propellers. I have here some gyro, refresh rate. Oh, let's take 10 ms. Why not? Oh, it can actually take 100 ms. Let's take 1 second. 1000 ms. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I have here the 4 motors. Uh, yeah. Anyways, let's see what we have to do here. This a little switch. I understand the risks. Toggle it. A little switch. There is no switch about I understand the risk. Wait, what is here? Motors will spin up when armed or when sliders are raised. Okay, so when these sliders are raised, they start to spin. Good to know. Motor test mode will remain active after moving to another tab. Hitting any key will stop the motors, but only in the motors tab. Disconnecting the USB cable may not stop the motors. I understand the risk. The propellers are removed. Enable motor control and arming and disable runaway takeoff prevention. Yes, I understand it. Let's move on. I actually like this chill music. Let's give this guy a like. It's pretty enjoyable. Alright, this a little switch. This not raise the slider for motor 1 just a tiny bit. Does it spin? I don't know. We are gonna see. Motor 1. Oh yeah, it spins. It absolutely spins. I can even show you. It's this guy here. Cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cool, cool stuff, cool stuff. Alright. So that's my front side, right? So basically that is my down right motor. On your screen it's my left motor, but uh in our physical world it's my back right motor. Okay, what about number two? Number two should be that one here. Yeah, it spins. Number three is this one, where the charger is. It is spinning. And number four is obviously the last one on the top left. I can put it here a little bit more to this side so you can see it. And it spins. So all motors are spinning. Um, yeah, let's just maybe give Gemini a screen about what is happening here, and just tell them that everything seems to work. Let's show you the display. Yeah, I just read this one, and I have actually to check something else. So in which directions they're spinning. Okay, so they must spin according to our diagram. Mm-hmm. Okay, so number one um is spinning clockwise. Number two is spinning counterclockwise. So basically, one is spinning into the right direction, two is spinning into the left direction. And I assume he is kind of like the same thing. Number three is spinning. Wait, number three is spinning into the left direction, like counterclockwise. Yeah. And number four is spinning clockwise. So it's kind of like the same. It's kind of like the same, but these two are reversed. So basically, we can say number one is spinning clockwise, number four is spinning clockwise, number three and number two are spinning counterclockwise. Yeah, alright. So 2, 3 spinning left, 1, 4 spinning right. Okay. Let's check it. I need something to check it. Do I have like a piece of something? I don't know, like some foil. Let's take a foil. Motor number one. I don't know. It seems like it's spinning. Can I just increase the value like real low? It seems like it goes clockwise.
Inactivity allowed. Inactivity allowed.
I can I can
Inactivity
differentiate
allowed.
it. But okay, let's take number two, right? So number two should spin left, or let's say from right to left, counterclockwise.
Inactivity allowed.
Yikes! Shut up, please. Thank you. I don't know. I mean, okay, if I put it from top, it obviously spins. It spins from right to left because it's going top. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but wait a moment. This one also goes stop. So it spins also from right to left. Okay, let's check number three. I don't know. I mean, it seems like this one spins from right to left, but it should spin from left to right, if I'm not wrong. Like basically clockwise. Those two should spin clockwise. Alright, let's check number one again. Let's maybe put number one and four on. It's a little bit. Can I not set a manual? Because they spin so fast, I cannot really see in what direction they're spinning. If I could just, I don't know here, can I use this? Maybe kind of like some sort of an indicator. Okay, it's spinning from right to left. It's wrong. Uh, yeah. Let's reconfigure that. Motor direction is reversed. Alright, connect motors. So these two go clockwise, right? So motor one, I understand, yes. It does not go clockwise, it goes counterclockwise. How does this one go? It should go actually counterclockwise. It should go to the left side. Alright, let's start. So this one is right. So this one should go also to the left side. It's number 3. And it goes to the left. And this one should go clockwise, so to the right side. It's number 4. But it goes to the left and not to the right. Motor direction. Yeah, but I want to change the direction in which they are spinning. I don't wanna just to check the motors. I want to change the configuration.
Inactivity allowed.
I don't get it. It spins into the wrong direction. watching it again. Maybe I am delusional. I don't know. No, it's obviously spinning into the wrong direction. Yeah, okay, so how can I change it? Motor direction. Okay, I have reversed it now here. So what does it mean now? Now if I put it in here, let's pop on number one. Motor test mode is disabled until settings have been saved. Okay, save and reboot. Connect. Motors. Direction is reversed. Okay, number one. I understand. It's still spinning the wrong direction. Nah, nah, mate. It's bullshit. So my motor number one is spinning counterclockwise. Motor number two. Motor number two is spinning counterclockwise. Motor number three. Counterclockwise. Motor number three is spinning counterclockwise. Motor number four is spinning. Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Motor number 3. Yes, that's correct. And the bottom left one is also correct. Yep. See the button that says motor direction right under the drone image. Yeah, I see it, but it's grayed out. Maybe I need to turn off this mode. Yeah, okay. To change motor, to change the motor direction, the battery must be plugged in and the correct AC protocol must be set up in the motor stop. Note that not all Bishop will work with this style. Click. Reset or motor spin direction then allows the user to choose which to reverse. Set motor spin direction by selecting and spinning each motor individually. Select one or all motors will spin when selected. Yeah, that one is the one I want to reverse. Yeah, now it's good. And what about number 4? It should go clockwise. How does it go now? Counterclockwise. So I want to reverse it. Yeah, now it's how I want it. And what about number 2? Yes. Number 3? Yes. Okay. How can I save it now? Or is it saved automatically? So now if I'm gonna spin them, maybe I can show you. Is it now working how I wanted it to work or no? So this one should go clockwise, so it should go right. Number 1. I understand. Yes, it goes right. And this one, okay, let's go with the number 2. This one goes left counterclockwise. It's here. Yes. This one goes clockwise, so basically right. It's number 4. Yes. This one goes counterclockwise, so basically left. Yes. All right, it's done. Okay, good to know. So now I need probably to save the settings somehow, right? Um, Save and reboot. So here, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's saved automatically. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Inactivity alarm. I know. I know. I know. I know. Yeah. Blah blah blah. Okay, it's done. Next step is arming. Once the motor spin correctly, the drone is mechanically ready. But right now you have no button to turn it on arm for flight. Go to the modes tab on the left, find the line arm. Click add range. Okay. Pick a switch, flip a switch on your boxes that you want to use for arming. Usually the big shoulder switch on the left. or SE. You will see a little yellow bar appear on the slider. Okay, I didn't quite understood this part, but I understood that okay, I have to go there, and then I kind of like have to assign it to a button, and then it's kind of like the arm mode. All right, I get it. Um, Modes. Arm is disabled. Okay, so I'm at least here now. At range. But why should I add at range if I have here already something? Maybe it means this mode here, so I don't have to add something else, but it's about here this one. Okay, and what did you say about the yellow line? Um, so usually people take big shoulder switch on the left, SA or SE. Alright, let's take SA. So let's add the range. Add range. Wait a moment. So could I have taken the first one? Uh, can I maybe take the first one? Hmm. Can I take the first? Uh, not the first, but can I take existing at the existing red box instead of adding a new one? No, it's in English, please. Use the existing red box. This is a built-in ARM mode for Betaflight. However, shows the dangerous settings. The danger in your screenshot, the little yellow tick mark. It is currently sitting at 1000. Yeah, and this means your switch is in the up or default position. Is it? If I move the switch, nothing changes here. Anyways, um, the tick mark is inside the yellow bar. The yellow bar covers the range 900 to 1300. Yeah, this chaotic. This means Betaflight thinks you want to arm start motors right now. If you plug in a battery like this, the drone tries to spin immediately. Betaflight blocks it while USB is connected, but it is very unsafe. How to fix it? Make it safe. We want the logic to be switch up safe, disarmed, switch down armed. Drag the yellow bar. Click and drag that yellow bar all the way to the right side so it covers roughly 1700 to 2100. Oops. Uh, I cannot adjust it. So I can move this part, but okay, so 2000 and 1700 would be like 1600, 1800, 1650, 1007, 1750, 1700, 900, 950, something like that. Maybe I should save it. Did it save or what's going on here? Okay, let's now move the button. Um, Nothing changes. Yeah, so probably it doesn't know what is the SA button. Okay, I did as you told me. Um, but yellow small line or the yellow small stick, let's say stick, uh, doesn't move when I slide down my SA my SA shoulder button. It seems like it does not react. This is a very common issue. You fix the safety range perfectly, great job, but now we have a wrong phone number problem. Betaflight is listening to AUX 1, but USA switch on the controller is probably transmitting on a different channel, or none at all. Here how to find and fix it. Find out where the switch is talking. We need to see which channel the SA switch is actually controlling. Go to the receiver tab in Betaflight on the left. Look at the bars labeled AUX 1, AUX 2, AUX 3, etc. Flip USA switch back and forth. What happens? Nothing happens. SA, nothing. SB, nothing. SC, nothing. SD, nothing. SE, top, nothing. SF, nothing. Nothing happens. Yeah, but other buttons work. Yeah, alright. One of the bar moves. No bars move at all. This means the switch is not yet assigned to a radio master box. We need to tell the controller to send the SA signal. Press the MDL button, press page until you see mixes page. It looks like channel 1, 2, 3. Scroll down to channel 5, click the scroll wheel and select edit. Scroll down to source. Click the wheel, it will blink, flip the SA switch. The source should now change to SA. Press return. Okay, so I have to assign it onto the controller in the MDL mode. Uh, Alright, let's press the MDL button. Yeah. We need to go, it says page, until we are on mixes. So that is what, that is setup. I don't need that, let's go next. Heli setup, flight modes, inputs, mixes, yeah. Um, Scroll down to channel 5. Actually, channel 5 has nothing, nothing labeled here. Okay, and we have to edit channel 5. Okay, and we go to source. Yeah, and now I have to flip it or what? Okay, so I changed it to SA. Yes, it has changed. Now I can go return. So now if I flip it, okay, default is 1000. If I flip it, it goes to 2000. And let me guess, those 1000 and 2000 are the settings from the tables which I have configured with the yellow line, right? I think it was under modes. Yeah, it actually goes 1700 to 2000. but it starts at 1000. Oh, now it moves. Yeah. Uh, cool, 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 cool. All right. I did as so let me know when I press down my SA leveler, the value moves from 1000 to 2000. The value is basically yellow marker on the Scala. That's perfect. You have now successfully set up your master switch. Here's the logic you just created. Switch up value 1000 outside the yellow bar. Disarmed safe. Switch down value 2000 inside the yellow bar armed. What I don't like is the following. Um, what I don't like is why why do I need 1700 to 2950, right? Because it goes from 1000 to 2000. So it changes immediately. There is no value in between. Let's increase it a bit. Okay. But why it says disabled? So when the USB cable is connected, it does not fly. Go to the setup tab top left, look at the right side under arming disable. Works, you will likely see MSP. USB is plugged in. And where would I see it? Uh, right side under arming disable. You see MSP. I don't see here anything despite this one API message. I must set up angle mode stabilization. Without this, the drone flies in acro mode manual. If you are a beginner, you will crash in 2 seconds in acro mode. Angle mode keeps the drone level when you let go of the sticks. How to set up just like the arm switch. I need to go to mixes again and scroll to channel 6. Oh, makes sense. Okay, mixes, page, setup, heli setup, modes, inputs, mixes. Let's take channel 6. Okay. Edit it and set source to switch SC or SB. Okay. Source is gonna be SB. Yeah, I did it. Um, Now aux2 in Betaflight is controlled by switch SC. Okay, I have set it now to SB, but let's check it. It was on the receiver, and no. Alright, so I can go between 1000, 1500, and 2000. Okay, let's just take 2000 and it's aux2. Alright, so let's go to modes. Modes. Um, how can I add aux number 3? Wait, how can I add a new mode? Alright, so at range, I want aux3, and let's say I want it on 2000. Uh, Wait, it takes aux2. Huh? Is it aux2 and not aux3? Receiver. Yeah, it's aux2. I made a little error here. Let's correct it. Okay, AUX 2 is gonna be on around 2000 or so. Like 1000 is disabled, 1500 is middle, and 2000 is on. Okay, let's save it. Okay. Yeah, and I need the angle mode. Okay, acro and angle mode. I need the angle mode. In this auto level mode, the row and pitch channels control the angle between the relevant axis and the vertical, achieving leveled flight just by leaving the sticks centered. Okay, I did it. This looks fantastic. Your settings are getting safer and more professional by the minute. Beautiful. Based on the image you uploaded. Yeah, it does jump. If yes, you're good. Just decide if you want down, see it now or up. Orientation check. Before you put propellers on, we must check if the drone knows which way is forward. Since you built it yourself, the flight controller might be rotated. Disconnect battery, connect USB. Go to the setup tab. First step in beta flight. Alright, let's disconnect the battery.
Telemetry lost.
Can I just disconnect and connect? I can. Okay. So go to the setup tab. Place the drone flat on your desk. It is flat, yeah. Pointing away from you. It does point away from me. Tilt left. Does the 3D model tilt left? Rotate right. Does the 3D model rotate right? Tilt left. Yeah, it tilts left. Tilt back. It goes back. Tilt right. It goes right. In front. It goes in front. It seems to work. Yes. Does the model rotate right? I don't know. Rotate it from left to right? Yes. From right to left? Yes. It does rotate. Does the 3D model move exactly like the real drone? Yes, you're ready for the notary. Yeah, it moves like the drone. Uh, yes, it moves according um to the physical modes of the drone. So my drone is airborne. I have programmed the brain of the drone until the props are mounted. We must check the failsafe. Alright, cool. Uh, yeah, but most importantly, like I would, I would, I would like to know. So does it now work? Does the drone work now, or does it not work? Like, let's disconnect. Um, Turn on display. Remove the USB. So now we're gonna plug in the battery. So if I'm arming now the drone,
Telemetry.
nothing really happens. Maybe do I need the stabilizing mode? No, but I'm connected and the drone does not really, it does not really fly. Um, so it does not really react. Like I armed it, but nothing changes here. Why? That's the question. But I am connected, right? If I check on the mouse, Let's go to this express URS. Yeah, I am connected. But the motors do not spin. All right, I'm gonna go deeper. I have to go deeper into that, but maybe after a short pause, maybe like in 30 minutes or something. Yeah, I'm gonna make a short pause now, and perhaps later I might finish it. So thank you for watching. See you.